Hey guys, it's me, Reka, and thanks for rolling me. I am at Jr and I got a drink, and my car just fell on the side of my feet. Thank you. So, I just got my food. I'm leaving my sister's baby shower, and I am faded. Okay. What the hell? So I'm about to pull over and eat me some food so I can drive it. My card is somewhere in here. I got some Crisco fries. Their ranch is called house dressing. Sweet and bold barbecue sauce. This is sourdough burger. On this burger comes with bacon, special sauce, tomatoes, the patty, on a sourdough bread. Let's see. Ranch and barbecue. This is so good. I'm so hungry. I didn't even ask y'all what y'all eating on. Or nothing. What y'all eating on and how y'all doing? This is really good. What the fuck? I love to start recording after I drink, and I need to stop. For real. I'm so full. This is so good, though. I don't know if I eat anymore. I forgot I recorded this whole video. That is not good. Don't judge me, y'all. This was so last year, 2021. Well, actually, I was leaving a party to shower my nephew, so I'm the auntie with no kids, so I was drinking. So it is what it is. This real raw and uncut. I don't know why I'm eating like this, but I feel like it was really good. What? No, I didn't. I had on my little clip-ons. I can't believe I showed out like this, and I'm still uploading this video. Hopefully y'all make it to the end, because I ain't said nothing. I'm literally just eating and faded. It looked like my eyes are closed, but my eyelashes are just big. They're not closed. This don't make no sense. If I really cared about how somebody felt, my bad, I wouldn't even upload this, but I don't really care. It won't come out. This don't make no sense. I'm just being greedy. Okay, I am greedy. Who cares? But what the fuck? I know I just didn't wind up having more fries. This is embarrassing. What the fuck? Close your mouth. Chew the food. Oh my goodness, y'all. It was so good. And I was full, but I couldn't stop. That don't make no sense. Only God can judge me. Thank God for that. Only God can judge me. I found more fries. I don't know what kind of mukbang this is, but I know when I'm under the influence to not record, because this don't make no sense. I'm still uploading this video though, and I got one from Christmas I'm gonna upload too. Don't trip. Alright, y'all, thanks for Reka. Reka was currently under the influence and has sobered up because she has to be there. Lies, but I sat there for a while before I left. Weak ass outro. Sorry, y'all. Love y'all. Thanks for rolling.